Getting kids active. Eddie's advice column. Hello, friend. I'm Eddie. Today the question is, how do I get my kids to do push-ups?
¿Cómo consigo que mis niños hagan lagartijas?
You're in the right place. I'm a gym teacher and a single dad, so I can help you find effective ways to get your kids moving. Here's what you can do.
¿Aquí hay algo que tú puedes hacer?
Make it a game. Turn push-ups into...
Convierte las lagartijas en un juego.
My son, Junior, loves when we play Who Can Do More? It's effective because he likes to win. And if you're able to, join in and do push-ups too. Sometimes I get tired, but not Junior. He's full of energy. Set ground rules. Set ground rules before you start. Junior knows he has to do 10 push-ups before he can play video games. It works for us. If he doesn't follow the rules, no screen time. Kids need rules. It makes things clear and fair. Use reward. Offer rewards for doing push-ups. I sometimes promise Junior a small treat, like a sticker or a cookie, if he does all his exercise. It's amazing how a little reward can motivate him. Just don't go overboard with candy, or you'll have kids bouncing off the wall. With these tips, push-ups will become a fun part of the day. Good luck, Eddie.